watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to rustic farmhouse charm blended with the vibrant spirit of spring. Discover delightful decor inspirations that will breathe new life into your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere reminiscent of countryside living. Let's begin with Bring the Garden Indoors with Flowering Can Planter. Enhance vintage charm with a bouquet of roses in a watering can planter, adding a touch of rustic elegance to any corner of your home. Simple Stunning Tulip Row. Elevate your mantel with a row of glass bottles adorned with tulips, symbolizing the essence of spring and countryside simplicity. Traditional cottage-style greenery. Embrace bold decor with a wall adorned with nature-inspired elements like paintings and wreaths, invoking the spirit of traditional cottage living. Wrap mason jars with lace for cottage style. Add farmhouse charm to any room with lace-wrapped mason jars, perfect for displaying freshly picked garden flowers. Gorgeous hanging greens. Transform an old ladder into a creative hanging display for spring-themed decor, infusing your space with whimsical charm. Bright floral spray with nestled nest. Explore unique Etsy finds like a grapevine wreath bursting with pink flowers, adding a natural touch to your spring decor. Chicken wire antique cabinet with spring elements. Refresh rustic cabinets with spring-themed accents like porcelain utensils and flower bouquets, bringing cheerful vibes to your space. Sunny Yellow Tulip Centerpiece. Repurpose a farmhouse egg box into a planter for tulips, adding a burst of sunshine to your spring decor. Wildflower painted mason jar arrangement. Coordinate your decor with a painted mason jar complementing the colors of your bouquet, creating a harmonious rustic display. Natural Look Moss Ball Display. Craft DIY moss balls for an elegant spring decor accent, effortlessly blending with farmhouse aesthetics. Spring hydrangea and floral branch arrangement. Welcome guests with a cream-painted jug filled with fall hydrangeas and twigs, creating a charming entryway display. Floral bouquet in elegant lantern. Illuminate your space with rustic lanterns adorned with fall blossoms, perfect for porch railings or farmhouse dining rooms. Boxwood greenery balls in vintage lanterns. Enhance lanterns with fall boxwood balls, seamlessly blending them into your rustic spring decor theme. Vase collection from antique milk bottles. Create a stunning centerpiece with tied milk bottle vases, adding a rustic finish to your spring table decor. Ladder climbing floral swag. Repurpose an old ladder into artistic wall art adorned with greenery and flower vines, adding a touch of natural beauty to your space. White wreath carries the light motif. Adorn a wooden frame with a cotton wreath and fresh flowers, creating a captivating rustic display inspired by spring. Spring brings bright blooms. Embrace the season with a rustic sign adorned with tulip bouquets, infusing your home with the joy of springtime. Industrial spring sign with bright tulips. Incorporate industrial elements into your decor with a metal sign framed by tulip-filled vases, celebrating the vibrant energy of spring. With these charming rustic farmhouse spring decor ideas, let's bring the beauty of the countryside into your home, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that celebrates the essence of spring.